What's going on, guys? Irvin here again to show you another how-to here on this scenario, and we're going to be talking about attributes for folders and a little bit of extra things here and there. We're going to be hiding, we're going to be changing the attributes to some files in regards to read only, and then we're going to compress a folder. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and open our File Explorer. Once you're in there, let's go ahead and navigate to this PC. You can just click on it right there. And you're going to be going to Drive D. Now, the tasks here on our left are, you can do them in order. You don't have to do them in order. Our purpose is here because of how the folders are in the Drive D. I'm just going to go from left to right and explaining the process of how we're going to go ahead and complete this task here. Now, finances. What we're going to do with finances there is going to hide the finances folder. And notice that something cool is going to appear here to let you know as the viewer, as the admin reads, what it actually does and how it shows when a file or folder is hidden. So if you're going to click on finances, right click on it. We're going to go to properties, and when you go on properties here under the general tab, on the very bottom you'll see attributes. We're going to go ahead and click on hidden, and we're going to click OK. Now once you do that, a confirm attribute changes is going to pop up. Just go ahead and hit OK at this step, and notice if you click away that the finances folder is a little bit grayed out, a little bit why it does not look as colorful as the other folders. That's because the attribute of this folder is hidden, and it reflects as such by dimming its color. Next, we're going to be looking into the folder for graphics. Here what we're going to be doing is compressing, and notice something cool with this one as well to show you, the viewer, that is compressed. So right click, we're going to go to properties, and under the general tab, once again at the very bottom where it says attributes, we want to click in advanced. Once you're in advanced, what we're going to go do is under the very bottom where it says compress or encrypt attributes, all we're going to do on this tutorial is just compress it. We're not going to encrypt anything, just compress it for now. Once you click OK, go ahead and click OK one more time, and it's going to ask you if you want to do that for all the folder, subfolders, and files, and just go ahead and say yes here on this point. And if you notice, if you click away from it, you're going to see these two pointing into each other arrows. That means that this particular folder is compressed, which is really cool. Now, moving on to changing the attributes of specific files, we're going to go into the tools folder, and we have two. We have the Audacity 64-bit.exe and the Snagit.exe. What we're going to be doing here for these two is going to change their attributes to show only read. So let's go ahead and do that. It doesn't matter which order you pick, left to right for me. Right click, properties. Under attributes, all the way at the bottom under the general tab, you see that it's read only, and just click the checkbox and hit OK, and do the exact same steps. Right click, properties, general, attributes, checkbox of read only, hit OK, and that's that. Right after you're done, just go ahead and click on Scorelab, and you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was simple and easy for you guys to understand. And we'll see you next time. You guys have a good one.